Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to connect mobile to a Windows laptop PC via USB cable. So in this way, we're going to see our Android screen, mobile screen in our Windows, and we can navigate the Android screen using our Windows mouse click itself. So in order to do this, we no need to install any application in Android. We just need to download and execute the file in Windows, which is called screen copy from Genie Mobile. So in your browser, uh, go to google.com and type screen copy, and then this is the first site. You open this here. It will list down all the instructions for different operating systems for Linux, Windows. We are interested in Windows, so you just simply download this application and save it to a location. So I have already downloaded and saved it to a location. This zip file I have extracted here and saved it here. I copy this path and I'm going to open a command prompt in run as administrator mode. So here I'm going to navigate to the location where I have installed, where I have downloaded the screen copy application. Here we simply need to execute the exe file. In order to do this, we need to ensure that our laptop is connected to a mobile, and the mobile device, the debugging is uh, on. So I'll show you how to enable the debugging. Here I'm have connected my Redmi 6A mobile. You can see this connected to Windows laptop PC via USB cable. Before that, we have to enable developer options in our mobile. So in our settings, go to about phone. Here, when you click on Android version multiple times, so your developer mode is enabled. After that, you have to uh, come to the advanced settings and enable the USB debugging. So after that, when you run this screen copy, I have already done this. I'm showing how to do. Here, come to your advanced settings, developer options, and USB debugging. So when you have done that, you can navigate your Android screen using um, Windows screen and mouse and things like that. So currently I'm using my mouse to navigate my mobile. Few older version Android mobiles were particularly the MI mobile, which I am currently using, that MI6A, have a we could not enable the we could not use that mouse keys, so we have to come and enable, apart from this USB debugging, we have to enable that USB debugging security settings. In order to enable this, it actually asked for MI account login. I have done that. After that, I am able to see my screen. Now I'll show you one more. I have another mobile MIA2 where I can show you that how it is how to cast that in Windows. Connected my MIA to mobile to use through USB cable into my laptop and have executed that screen copy command again. So once I have done that, I can see my MIA to mobile, um, and I can navigate my mobile using mouse click. All at the same time, I can touch the Android screen and do edit. I'm going to touch the Android screen and open the application. Sometimes this option is quite useful, where we can edit, where we can edit a few application things in mouse click, which will be very really helpful. So I'll show you how to edit, zoom and edit. I am going to just make it as a sticker. In order to zoom this, I am currently using my hands on the Android mobile, because sometimes uh, I could not zoom it properly. Where when I zoom, it actually consider it as a selection in the picture. So this way I can do both the ways, like zoom using selection using mouse and zoom using my hands on the Android mobile. Yeah, sometimes we can do the precise selection using mouse movement than that hand selection in the Android screen. So in this way you can zoom it using double fingers in the Android screen, and you can use your mouse pointer to actually select the precious pointers and make an edit in the Windows itself. So both the way you can do. So you can at the same time you can navigate, touch, and then navigate on your Android mobile screen. At the same time, you can use your mouse to do the navigations. So this option is, I hope this option will be helpful at some point in time on your walkings with Windows. Yeah, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with others. Thank you.